This is Hannah McLaren with the McLaren Real Estate Team and the Real Estate Company, coming to you with 256 Prestwick Acres Lane. It's a beautiful townhouse in the heart of Prestwick with an attached garage. Let's take a look around. So as you come into the house from the garage, you're greeted by this nice laundry room slash mud room. It's all tiled and nicely finished, and of course you've got your mechanical area down there as well. Then you come up into the main level. The living room is such a great space. You've got these bay windows bringing in all this light, and then the kitchen has a nice island, adds a lot of counter space with a beautiful view to your backyard. The upstairs has 3 fantastic sized bedrooms and a full bathroom. The master has a great walk-in closet, and there's also a perfectly situated office nook on this level. And I don't want to forget to mention, downstairs has a really great half bath that's located just across from the front door. This beautiful townhouse in McKenzie Towne is not going to last long. So give us a call here at the McLaren Real Estate Team. We'd love to show you around. There is more information linked in the description below, as well as links to all of our other social media. We're always coming out with new information, new listings, and keeping you up to date on the real estate market. So please go follow us, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel here. And until next time, keep it real.